Excellent. Headed to the airport.
Where are we going?
Make a left.
Italy.
Oh, nice.
Long day. Long day. Well, you know, it connects out of New York, so it's not till 11 tonight. So it's just a long day. But it is not springtime there, my friend. Excellent. Oh wow, okay, yeah, I do have all that. Thanks, man.
Is that it?
So here's the deal. It's 1:30. I'll get the exact time in a second. But I'm Delta, but I'm also pre-checked, and I'm TSA pre-checked. So let's time it out and find out how long does it take to get from here to the gate. 1:36. I'm through. Actually took me longer just because I have so much stuff. It's 1:39. Yeah, I'll give you 1:41. But it was like 3 minutes. Anyway, we're 2 hours early. But I look forward to using the Sky Loungers. I need caffeine. Brown water. Cheers to brown water. So in honor of Milan. Alright, ready? So let's do an Instagram live. Let's see if I can do this. So I'm gonna put this here. Okay, are you ready? We're gonna do an Instagram live. So let me turn this on. Are we okay? Hold on. Questions and answers. Questions and answers. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Hey, how are you?
Hey.
Welcome you to New York City, where the local time is 5:45 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and you carry your matter stowed until the aircraft is back at the gate and the captain has announced the seatbelt sign.
Remember, no baggage claim. We just have to go check in to Emirates. Alright? Find the Sky Lounge, charge everything back up. Let's go. Welcome to JFK. Okay, I need to get to Terminal 4. It's cold out here. Alright? Hey Siri, what's the temperature?
It's 44 degrees outside.
It's 44. Come on, we have to get to, we have to get to 4. That's the problem, my friends. Economy. Oh well, one day. One day. Hey, thank you very much. Hello, hello. I actually know what I'm getting, my friend. I want that turkey burger. So, the deal is, I'm just gonna eat, right? And then I'm gonna go to the Delta Lounge and I'm gonna drink their white wine. 22:20, it's 10:20. Alright. So 10:20 and then it lands 11:15 tomorrow. There's a time difference. It's 7:30. I haven't made it to the Sky Lounge yet. I haven't charged up any of my equipment yet. flying Emirates airline. I'm very excited about taking this flight. This is the same airline that last year I landed in LaGuardia. I had to cab Uber over to Newark. I had 2 hours to do it in. Traffic, whatever. It took forever going through the city, going through the tunnel, going through the bridge. Anyway, I arrived 15 minutes before that flight was to leave, my friends. I walked in the airport, it was empty. I asked somebody, they said, honey, they're closed. Like the maintenance person called somebody, and then somebody came out and said, let's see if we can get you on that flight. When I saw the baggage tag go on my luggage, I thought, holy shit, I'm really getting on this airline. Number one, you have to be there an hour before. Number two, international, 2 hours before. It was 15 minutes before the flight left. They let me on. I had such a hysteria about me. I kind of forgot about the airline. When I sat down, I looked around, I'm like, oh my God, this thing's beautiful. It was like the Starship Enterprise. What a flight. Chef-inspired meals, silverware, first-class amenities as far as an eye mask, a toothbrush, socks. Yeah, I liked it a lot. And I had the whole row to myself. It was fantastic. Anyway, I am jazzed about taking that airline tonight. And I feel bad for them because I'm comparing them to them. I'm comparing them to them. Headed to 9:30. Let's find better lighting. So for all purposes, I would be in bed right now. I have a half a Xanax. It's a short flight. So part of me is thinking about, making that economy coach seat a lot more comfortable.